Hello and welcome to our lesson on Section 4F, the change of base rule. The change of base rule is a very useful rule when working with logarithms. It states that log base b of a can be rewritten as log base c of a over log base c of b. In other words, log of the value over log of the base. And this is very useful because if we want to use our calculators to calculate logs, we only have a log base 10 button on our calculator. But we often want to calculate the value of a log that is not base 10. So if I rewrite it using the change of base rule, I can use my calculator to help me calculate that log without actually having a button for it. Okay. So for example, if I wanted to find the value of log base 2 of 9, I can rewrite this as log 9 over log 2. I can type those numbers into my calculator and I get 3.17. That means that 2 to the exponent 3.17 will give us approximately 9. Likewise, if I have a base that is a fraction, I can rewrite this as log of 1250 over log of 1/2. I can plug those numbers into my calculator and divide, and I get the answer negative 10.3. That means that 1/2 raised to the exponent negative 10.3 equals approximately 1,250. Okay. I can also use it in some slightly more complicated problems. So in this case, I'm trying to solve for the value of x. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to, I can rewrite these as powers with the same base. Okay, so I might think, I don't need my calculator. I'm going to rewrite this. So I rewrite 8 as 2 to the 3. I rewrite 4 as 2 to the 2. I do a little bit of simplifying. And I notice that we have a common factor of 2 to the 2x. I factor that out, and I'm left with 2 to the x minus 5 times 2 to the 2x. Now, since these are both multiplying to give me 0, that means either 2 to the 2x is equal to 0, but that's inadmissible. There's no value of x that I can plug in here to raise this base to get 0. Okay, there's no way to make this equal 0, so it's inadmissible. However, I can make this equal to 0, so I'm going to set 2 to the x equal to 5. I can take the log of both sides. I can do a little bit of simplifying here. I notice I can drop that x in front using my log laws, which is very useful because now I can just divide out the log 2 on both sides. And I end up with x equal to log 5 over log 2. Now, I could type that into my calculator and get an approximation, but I could also use the change of base rule to rewrite this as log base 2 of 5. That would be the exact answer. Thank you and have a great day.